Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our next tutorial video. We are in book 1, lesson 1, part 4. Last time we went over the exercise on top of page 9. Now we will learn how to ask another type of question. We already know how to ask, what is this? Which in Arabic would be ma hadha. Now, how about if we want to ask, who is this instead? Its construction is very similar to ma hadha. All we need to do is to replace ma with man. So instead of saying ma hadha, we say man hadha. Here, man is who and hadha is this. As we already know, there is no need for is in Arabic. So by man hadha, we are asking who is this. Now let's practice it using the questions on the second half of page 9. Man hada. Who is this? We are seeing a doctor in the picture, and a doctor in Arabic is tabibun. Tabibun. So we should say hada tabibun. The question was, who is this? And the answer is, this is a doctor. Hada طبيب. The next question. من هذا? We should say, this is a boy. And a boy in Arabic is ولد. ولد. So the answer will be هذا ولد. Now do you remember the sign of indefiniteness in Arabic from our last video? What was it? Un ending, right? Un or tanween ending. So that still applies to these new words we are learning. In waladun, the noon at the end indicates that this noun is indefinite. So waladun translates to a boy. Next question. Man hada? We are seeing a student in the picture, and a student is talibun, which is another new word for us. طالب. So the answer to من هذا here will be هذا طالب. This is a student. هذا طالب. Next question. أهذا ولد? We are asking, is this a boy? Remember, we just learned ولد, which means a boy. So أهذا ولد means, is this a boy? But what we are seeing in the picture is not a boy. We are seeing a man instead. And a man in Arabic is رجل. رجل. So our answer will be لا. هذا رجل. We are saying, no, this is a man. لا. هذا رجل. Okay, with this we finished page number 9. Now let's flip over to the next page, which is page 10, and continue practicing asking questions and learning a few more new words along the way. We are starting from the top. We are seeing a masjid in the picture. Should we ask ما هذا or من هذا? What do you think? It should be ما هذا, right? It should be what is this? ما هذا. And the answer will be هذا مسجد, right? هذا مسجد. Now we are seeing a trader in the picture. How do we ask our question? ما هذا or من هذا? We should say, who is this? So it will be من هذا, right? Now a trader in Arabic is تاجر. تاجر. So our answer will be هذا تاجر. هذا تاجر. Now this is a dog. In Arabic, a dog is كلب. So to say this is a dog, we go هذا كلب. هذا كلب. أهذا كلب? Does it look like a dog? No, right? It's a cat. And a cat in Arabic is قط. قط. So we should say, no, this is a cat. And how do we say it? لا هذا قط. Very good. لا هذا قط. ما هذا? What is this? This is a donkey, and a donkey is حمار. حمار. So let me ask my question once again. ما هذا? You go ahead and answer. هذا حمار. Right? هذا حمار. Now let me ask, أهذا حمار? What is it in the picture? A horse, which in Arabic will be حصان. حصان. So the answer should be لا هذا حصان. لا هذا حصان. Our last question of the page. وما هذا? Did you spot something new in this question? وما هذا? The letter wa, right? Wa. Wa simply means and. So we are asking, and what is this? وما هذا? We are looking at a camel, and a camel is جمل. جمل. So how should we answer to وما هذا? The answer should be هذا جمل, right? هذا جمل. Done with page 10. We are picking up speed if you notice. Let's move on to page 11 and finish up the rest of the examples. ما هذا? What is this? A rooster. A rooster in Arabic is ديك. ديك. So the answer should be هذا ديك. هذا ديك. Next one. This is a teacher. A teacher is مدرس. مدرس. So how do we ask our question? ما هذا or من هذا? من هذا. Perfect. So we should ask من هذا. And the answer will be هذا مدرس. هذا مدرس. One more to go. أهذا قميص؟ أهذا قميص؟ Do you remember what قميص is? قميص is a shirt, right? Does it look like a قميص? No, it's a handkerchief, which in Arabic is منديل. منديل. Nowadays we don't see handkerchiefs in use a lot, but منديل also means a napkin, just to let you know. Now going back to our question, أهذا قميص? Should the answer be نعم or لا? لا, right? لا هذا منديل. We're saying no, this is a handkerchief. لا هذا منديل. Great, we've learned many new words today, and I suggest you take some time to review them a few more times until you feel more comfortable with them. Inshallah, we will finish off the lesson 1 in the next video. And until then, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.